Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, May 15th, 2018. It is now 7:47 in the morning. I just recently received a message asking me why I do this. Well, it's very simple. I do this because if I don't do this, I will be living under a bridge. I do this because I need to make money to fix my situation. I do this because I had hoped to turn these videos into money, but YouTube took that ability from me, and so now that I have 2,000 subscribers, I made a choice. Do I maintain the channel, or do I just shut it down and do something else? This channel is valuable to me because eventually YouTube will turn the monetization back on. And when they do, the penny that I receive from every video view will help me fix this situation. See, I don't have to ask anybody to give me any money. As long as I make halfway decent videos that people are willing to watch, the money will come. And then my problem will be addressed. So that's why I do the videos. I'm willing to trade my experience as a rideshare driver for the money necessary to fix my bigger overall problem, which is cash flow. I'm hoping it works anyway. So that's why I do this. All right. I hope that answers your question, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.